everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called Bully Unicorn Story. Bully Unicorn was the school's biggest and only bully. Everyone was afraid of him. Bully Unicorn enjoyed bullying all the younger unicorns. Bully Unicorn's reputation was so bad that no unicorn wanted to go near him. Bully Unicorn's favorite victim was Little Unicorn with long pink braids. Bully Unicorn enjoyed pulling the little unicorn braids and making her cry every day after class. And Little Unicorn's parents were not happy. At one point, they went to see the Teacher Unicorn. Teacher Unicorn told them that she will try to talk to the Bully Unicorn, but there was one big problem. Bully Unicorn didn't listen to the teachers or the parents. He was stubborn and rude and a real bully. Teacher Unicorn tried to talk to Bully Unicorn many times, but nothing seemed to work. It got worse to the point that Teacher Unicorn had to detain him after school so he couldn't bully others on the way back home. Ha ha, he goes to detention. Bully Unicorn's kindness is something anyone could give without losing anything themselves. You cannot do a kindness too soon, for you never know how soon it will be too late, said Teacher Unicorn. Bully Unicorn didn't say anything. He completely ignored Teacher Unicorn. After seeing his attitude, Teacher Unicorn gave up and told Bully Unicorn to go home. Bully Unicorn came out of school and went home, but all of a sudden, all other students came out and surrounded him. They started throwing eggs, paper balls, and balloons full of water at him. The students had enough with Bully Unicorn's behavior, so they decided to do something. Bully Unicorn returned to class dirty and crying. They did it because you were desperate and scared. You were bullying them so bad that they need to do something. I'm not saying that what they did was right, but what you're feeling is now what your friends felt when you bullied them. This time, Bully Unicorn listened carefully to the teacher's words and seemed to reflect a lot. The next day, Teacher Unicorn decided to speak to the whole class. Bully Unicorn was also there, but he didn't say a word. He hadn't bullied any kids. What you did yesterday was wrong. It was not nice, began the teacher. I can understand your feelings, and I can't deny that Bully Unicorn deserved punishment for what he did, but being unkind is not the way to solve anything. Kindness. These words also apply to you, Bully Unicorn. For the first time you experienced in person, what did that do to others? Do you like it? Now I want you to apologize to your friends for behaving like a bully all this time. Apologize. I'm very sorry. I was wrong to be a bully, and it won't happen again. You have my word, said Bully Unicorn sincerely. Kids, now it's your turn to apologize to Bully Unicorn for what you have done. From now on, I want to see you play together and become friends. Apologize. Sorry, Bully Unicorn, said the whole class. Sorry. From that day, Bully Unicorn learned from his mistakes and stopped his bullying, and the other unicorns became good friends. The end. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!